Today, we're heading back to Amazon.com for Joe's U.S.A, a brand and t-shirt made in America. If you want to find out more, watch this. What's up, team, and welcome back to Guy Maverick. I'm Eric, founder of Guy Maverick, and today we're back with a perfect heavyweight t-shirt series where I take heavyweight t-shirts from popular brands, review them, and compare them across each episode. Last week, we took a look at the All-Style 1301, a brand and shirt widely popular in the t-shirt design community. This week, we're taking a look at Joe's U.S.A, a t-shirt and brand made in America. So, without further ado, let's roll the montage. And here is the t-shirt. First, a few specs for you guys. This is a 6.1 ounce, 100% cotton soft spun t-shirt. It's designed by Joe USA and manufactured in America. I got the crew neck in black. I got this t-shirt from Amazon.com, but you can also go to Joe USA's actual website to purchase as well. Let me show you guys what it looks like on me. First impressions, this t-shirt feels softer than the All-Style 1301, but definitely not as soft as the Hanes Beefy tee, the Gildan Hammer tee, and the Funny World branded tee that we reviewed before. Now this t-shirt has actually gone through 3 different wash and dry cycles. This was actually one of the first heavyweight t-shirts I got in this series, but I waited to review it. It fits quite a bit snug. Let me show you guys some close-ups. Here's the collar. Smaller collar and tighter collar than, say, the Hanes Beefy tee. Here's the shoulder seam, middle of my shoulder, seam itself. Here's where the sleeve starts. Curvature of my shoulder, right in the middle is where that seam starts. The sleeves themselves, I would say they're reminiscent of the Gildan Hammer and the Funny World branded tee as far as the width and the length. Here's the chest. I need to work out. And the body. Here's where my belt hits. Here's where the end of the garment hits. I want to let you guys know that this t-shirt did shrink. It didn't shrink like a full size or anything like that, but after my first initial wash and dry cycle, it shrank probably about 1/4 to half of a size. I just noticed that after I put it on from that wash and dry cycle, it was a little bit snugger, but not extremely snug. But also, when this did shrink, the first wash and first dry, I tried it on, it was small, but it was also coarse and rough. After its second wash, and definitely after its third wash, this is where I have it now, and I would definitely say it's quite a bit softer than when I first got this shirt. You can use this t-shirt as a benchmark for the All-Style 1301 because I believe the All-Style will do the same thing as this and soften up over multiple washes and dries. Now I don't know if you guys can tell, but this t-shirt actually did fade. Now, naturally, if you're gonna put something in the washer and dry repeatedly, it will fade, especially a dark color like this, but I wanna let you guys know that fact. Now let's talk about these sleeves for a second. As you can see, they're a little bit wider than my arm. Like I said, they're more so like the Funny World brand or the Gildan Hammer tee that we saw in the past. As you know, I like my sleeves to fit similarly to the Express, where they're a little bit slimmer, so my arm doesn't look as skinny as it really is. I wouldn't say these sleeves are as wide or as long as the Hanes Beefy tee, for example, but definitely not as slim as the Express t-shirt or as slim as I'd like. Now this t-shirt did soften up over multiple wash and dry cycles, so if you buy this t-shirt and put it on, don't be alarmed if it feels like steel wool across your skin. If you're anywhere in between sizes and you want some comfortability or looseness when wearing this shirt, I would suggest sizing up. If you're a little bit leaner like me and you like your garments to fit snug, I would suggest staying true to size. Remember, this will shrink about 1/4 to half of a size when you put it in the washer and dryer. Now for reference, I'm 5'9", about 167 pounds, and I consider myself a lean build. I'm not overly skinny, but I'm also not extremely muscular either. Overall, I did expect the fit and the quality to be a little bit better for a t-shirt made in America. Thanks for watching my review of the Joe's USA heavyweight t-shirt. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to drop in the comment section below or direct message me on Instagram at ThatGuyMaverick. Don't forget to check out www.guymaverick.com for more information. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell right up there so you don't miss any new videos in this series. You guys have been a fantastic audience. Great to see you again. Hope to see you next week. And don't forget, be a good person, but don't waste time proving it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.